Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to check or find your Instagram link history. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up your Instagram account, sign in, and select your profile icon in the bottom right corner to open up your profile page. And then you want to select the hamburger icon up at the top right. Underneath how you use Instagram, select where it says your activity, and then go down underneath where it says how you use Instagram, select where it says link history, and then it will show you your link history, but you first have to allow the link history, and then once you've done that, it should display in here going forward, and that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.